RBA Governor Dr. Philip Lowe spoke a short time ago and said on Saturday night he was on a G20 video conference call, and the general consensus from that call is government support to businesses and households needs to continue for the foreseeable future. So he said today, listen to his comments, just giving support behind the government extending both these wage subsidy programs.
So I think it's positive that the government's continuing the support. It's positive that the banks have continued their support through loan deferrals. And I can assure you that the RBA will continue to support the economy until we're confident that we're making progress towards 2 to 3% inflation and towards full employment. So we've got a while to go, and it's important to keep this support going.
And during his speech today, Dr. Philip Lowe also spoke about saying there's no need for negative interest rates in the current environment in Australia. He also said the Reserve Bank won't be printing money, providing helicopter money to our economy. That's not needed. And he also said the RBA won't be providing any financing to our federal government, instead saying the federal government has the ability to get loans by itself. It already has a very strong credit rating. But at the end of his speech in the Q&A, he was very supportive of Australians refinancing their home loans with the super low interest rate environment right now. He's encouraging anyone out there with a home loan to look at getting a better deal. Take a listen.
So we've seen huge amounts of refinancing. In the last couple of months, the value of refinanced loans was almost as high as the number of loans for newly purchased properties. That's the first time in our history. So there's been a lot of refinancing. People get a better deal. It frees up some cash flow and it puts some extra competitive discipline into the banking system. So I encourage people who haven't already taken the opportunity to do that to look at their mortgage rate and look for a better deal.
But the bottom line today, Kieran, from the Dr. Lowe's comments is we have got through the worst of this pandemic, but there's still a long way to go, and the Reserve Bank's going to be there to provide support to the Australian economy until things get better.